Density Part 4. Now we're going to talk in this tutorial about upthrust. When an object floats, it moves neither up nor down. The forces acting on it are exactly balanced. Which of Newton's laws says that the forces on a stationary object are balanced? That would be Newton's first law. The weight of the object is balanced exactly by a force called the upthrust. Upthrust comes from the pressure in the liquid. Even when an object sinks, upthrust acts on it. In the experiment below, you can put different objects into a bucket of water. Watch how the spring balance changes as the object enters. So we have an indication on 8 in the spring balance. For the two objects in the experiment, you can write down the reading on the spring balance when the object is in the air and in water, and also the value of the upthrust. So here the value of the balance reading in air is 8 Newton. After you lower the rock, the balance reading in water is 4 Newton. So if you want to get the upthrust, that is the balance reading in air minus the balance reading in water, which is 8 minus 4, equal to 4 newtons. Now you can also try it with an apple. The reading in air is 2 Newton. If you lower the apple, the balance reading in water is 0. And you can see the apple floating. So the upthrust force and the weight forces are balanced in this case, and the upthrust is 2 Newton. The volume of the two objects is the same. The value of the upthrust depends only on the volume of the object that is underwater. To be precise, the upthrust is equal to the weight of displaced water. So the water has to move out of the way to make room for the object. If an object is completely submerged, pressure acts on it in all directions because the pressure in a liquid increases with depth. The force pushing up on the bottom of the object is larger than the force pushing down on the top of it. The difference between these two forces is what causes the upthrust.